Yehovah Svaot Elohim, Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me and lead me, and cover me and stir me, and speak through me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness and humility to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey, hand, behold, now, behold. Isaiah Yeshayahu, chapter 27. On that day, Yehovah, with his great, strong, relentless sword, will punish Leviathan, the fleeing serpent, the twisting serpent Leviathan. He will slay the sea monster. On that day, a pleasant vineyard. Sing about it. I, Yehovah, guard it, moment by moment. I water it, so that no harm will come to it. I guard it night and day. I have no anger in me. If it gives me briars and thorns, then, as in war, I will trample it down and burn it up at once, unless it takes hold of my strength in order to make peace with me. Yes, to make peace with me. The time is coming when Yaakov will take root, Israel will bud and flower, and fill the whole world with a harvest. Yehovah will not strike Israel, as he did others who struck Israel. He will not kill them, as he did with others. Your controversy with her is fully resolved by sending her into exile. He removes her with a rough gust of wind on a day when it's blowing from the east. So the iniquity of Yaakov is atoned for by this, and removing his sin produces this result. He chops up all the altar stones like chalk. Sacred poles and sun pillars stand no more. For the fortified city is alone, abandoned and destroyed like the desert. Calves graze and lie down there, stripping its branches bare. When its harvest dries up, it is broken off. Women come and set it on fire. For this is a people without understanding. Therefore, he who made them will not pity them. He who formed them will not show them mercy. On that day, Yehovah will beat out the grain between the Euphrates River and the valley of Egypt, and you will be gathered one by one, people of Israel. On that day, a great shofar will sound. Those lost in the land of Ashur will come, also those sacred, those scattered through the land of Egypt, and they will worship Yehovah on the holy mountain of Jerusalem. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this interesting 27th chapter of Isaiah Yeshayahu? We can trust that Yehovah has a great, strong, relentless sword. Know that one day Yehovah will slay Leviathan, the sea monster. Sing to Yehovah. Take hold of the strength of Yehovah. Aim for peace. Aim to produce spiritual fruit pleasing to Yehovah from his perspective. Trust that Yehovah atones and removes sin. Aim to have understanding. Aim for mercy. Aim for unity and peace. Worship Yehovah on the holy mountain in Jerusalem. How can we love others as Yeshua loves us? We're going to encourage unity and peace with each other. Bear one another's burdens. We can aim for mercy. Produce spiritual fruit, love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, humility, self-control. We'll end with the Aaronic blessing using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with the hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being toward you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and set in place all you need to be whole and complete.